students. Mrs. Glucksman here. Let's get started with our good morning song. Here we go. Good morning, good morning. How are you? How are you? Very well, thank you. Very well, thank you. And you. And you. Ready for Armenian? Bari luz, inch pesek, yes lovem, duk inch pesek, How about French? Bonjour, comment allez-vous, merci beaucoup, Evu. Good morning, everybody. Today is Thursday. What's the name of our month again? That's right, it's still March. Yesterday was March 18th. What comes after 18? Do you remember? That's right, 19. Let's count. Are you ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Yep, today is Thursday, March 19th, 2020, and guess what? It's the first day of spring. Happy spring, everyone. Happy spring. Remember, we have 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer, and fall. So goodbye, winter. Hello, spring. And for those of you who celebrate Persian New Year, Happy Nowruz. Happy New Year. Persian New Year is today, too. So let's look at our weather. The weather outside of my house today is partly sunny, little cloudy, little sunny. I think I'm going to color, it's more cloudy than sunny, so I think I'm going to color in a cloudy over here on our graph. Had lots of cloudy days this month. And today we are going to read a book called When Will It Be Spring? By Katherine Walters. So here's our book today, When Will It Be Spring? By Katherine Walters, written and illustrated by Katherine Walters. So she wrote the story and she drew the pictures. Come inside, Alfie, said Mother Bear. It's time to sleep, and when you wake up, it will be spring. When will it be spring? Asked Alfie, and how will I know when it's here? Mother Bear replied, when the butterflies float by looking for new flowers, then it will be spring. So Alfie snuggled down to sleep, but when he woke up, Alfie could not tell if spring had come or not. He tiptoed across the floor of the cave, rubbed his bleary eyes, and saw butterflies! It's spring, cried Alfie. Wake up, Mother. I see a big gray butterfly and lots of white little ones. Is that a butterfly? I don't know. But when Mother Bear came out, she could only see the soft fall of new snow. Winter has hardly begun, she said. Go back to sleep, Alfie. But when will it be spring? Alfie wanted to know. And Mother Bear mumbled sleepily. When the swallows arrive and there are birds in every tree, then it will be spring. Then Alfie curled up again to sleep. And when he woke, he was sure it must be time for spring. He crept across the floor, peered outside, and saw birds in the trees. Mother, wake up, squealed Alfie. Spring is here. The swallows have come, and they are singing in the trees. You see, he thinks those are the birds. Do you guys think those are birds? Let's see. But Mother Bear could only see icicles and hear the wind whistling in the bare branches. "You're dreaming, Alfie," she said. "Now go back to sleep." "But Mother," said Alfie, "when will it be spring?" And Mother Bear, already half asleep, grunted, "When the sun is bright and the air is warm, then it will be spring." So Alfie burrowed down in his bed again, and when he woke, he was quite sure spring was here. He padded across the floor, looked out, and saw a bright sun. "Mother, you've overslept," cried Alfie. "Wake up, spring is here. The sun is shining and it's getting warm." Do you think that's the sun? But Mother Bear could only see the hunters' fires and quickly hustled her cub away. "Now go to sleep," she said. "I will tell you when spring is here." So Alfie slept and dreamed of butterflies and birds and sunshine until something icy touched his nose. A tiny stream of water was trickling through the cave. Alfie shook his mother awake and she growled, "For the last time, Alfie, it is not spring." But Alfie patted her hopefully until she got up, stomped through the doorway, and saw spring. Mother Bear rubbed her eyes and blinked in the warm, bright light. "Spring is here after all," she said with a smile. "But where's Alfie?" Look at how beautiful it is. Flowers are blooming, butterflies, the birds, the buds on the trees and blossoms on this tree over here. Where's Alfie, though? There he is. Alfie's enjoying those wildflowers. So beautiful. And look at the cute rabbits. Spring is here. The end. I really enjoyed that story. I hope you guys did too. Let's go over what work we have today. So today your parents are going to go online and help you find this story, a spring story. Welcome back, spring. And then you're going to work on journal number 4. It says, "Spring has sprung. My favorite part of spring is..." You're going to write what your favorite part is and then draw a picture. So maybe you like the flowers blooming, or the blossoms on the tree, or the leaves coming back, or the butterflies, or the birds singing. You decide which one is your absolute favorite part. Then today you are also going to go over another cut and paste letter sounds, D and C. Remember, D makes a D sound and C makes a K sound. So you're going to color and cut each of these and then decide which beginning sounds are D and which beginning sounds are C. And also, we have some fun science. If you flip this over, you can pick one or more of these science activities to do with your adult that's at home with you. Our challenge activity for today is going to be using the lined paper that I sent home to write letter R. Last week we did letter Q. So letter R is our letter this week. R is for rain, rainbow, Reese, Rafi, Rosie. So R is our letter this week. And at school we have these boards. Remember, blue is the sky, that's right. Green is the grass. And brown is the dirt, that's right. So R is not a dirt letter. Uppercase R and lowercase r are not dirt letters. So remember, friends, your name always goes on the top line. So I'm going to write name here. So your name goes on the top line. Remember, uppercase for the first letter only. And then R. Let's start with uppercase R. Uppercase R, we start at the top of the sky and we go down to the bottom of the grass, vertical line. We've done that before many times. And then R is very similar to P, which we did just a few weeks ago. So we make the little curved part in the sky. Remember, letter P? Looks similar, right? And then we make a diagonal line that goes to the bottom of the grass. Let's try that one more time. Vertical line down, top of the sky, bottom of the grass. And then our curved line stays in the sky, right? Letter P. And then to make it into an R, we just add our diagonal that stays in the grass. So I'd like you to do a whole row of uppercase R's on your lined paper at home. Now lowercase r's are grass letters only. So we're going to start in the grass, top of the grass, and make a small vertical line that goes to the bottom of the grass, top of the grass to the bottom of the grass, and then just a tiny little curve. That's it. Let's do it again. Top of the grass to the bottom of the grass, vertical line, and then just a little curve. So I'd like you to make lowercase r's all the way across. So one row of uppercase r's, one row of lowercase r's would be great. That's the challenge activity for today, and you find your lined paper in your packet that I sent home on Friday. Last but not least, please tune in later today. I will be reading this book called Celebrating Nowruz for all of our friends who are celebrating Persian New Year. So I'll post that video later today. Goodbye, Room 7 students. I hope you have a wonderful day. It's not supposed to rain today, so maybe you can get outside and play a little bit again. Take care. I miss you all, and I hope to see you soon. Bye.